making the show within a week. It's pretty exciting / scary. But no, being part of the company to make this piece of work, I think, has been the most exciting part, because I've already said that the actors themselves were incredibly brave to be working in such a new way, but also, the creative team, the technical team, and the companies who are supporting us to make this project have just been so driven and so creative in terms of solving so many of the logistical problems and the creative problems that we faced along the way. So that's been incredibly exciting, but also within the company supporting us, the show originally being a Sherman Theatre show with Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama is incredibly special to me, because I'm from Cardiff, and also I went to Sherman Youth Theatre as a child, and I think that they were the first theatre to really kind of give me a home, and to be able to make a piece of work which is supported by them, but also amazing companies like NTW and BBC Cymru is obviously for me is absolutely what I've always wanted to do. So that's been incredibly exciting, and finally, a show which we all we put a lot of work into, and it didn't end up being seen in the first place, to get an opportunity to revisit that in a really exciting way, and for so many of the people within this project to really get to show how talented they are. I think that's been really exciting as well. Yeah.